You need to be able to relate to the client. If you can relate to the client and understand what the client is going through, you're in a better position to speak on behalf of that person.
What I attempt to do is to establish a relationship with them right from the start, because it's important for me, as generally the person that meets the clients at the outset, to understand the injury that they're suffering, because I can frequently tell in advance the direction of how this injury is going to unfold.
Once we get to know somebody and they place their trust in us, we want to learn everything that we can possibly learn about them so that we can do the best job that we can in representing them. And by getting that close with them, you can understand what they've been through and what they're going through, and you develop a relationship with them, you develop a trust with them.
You want the client to be able to develop a relationship of trust and confidence, because without a relationship of trust and confidence, the relationship is doomed to failure. We establish that relationship, we establish friendships, we establish bonds. We like to tell our clients that they have a lawyer for life. We say that not just because they're idle words, but we mean it. We have developed a relationship that we cherish, a relationship that is valuable to us, and we hope valuable to the client in the long run.
When you're put in a situation where you are hurt and that you need to rely on someone to help you, that you get very close both with the person who's helping you, in particular a lawyer, and from the lawyer's point of view, when you get to know a client that well and you get to know them intimately, you really develop a relationship that lasts oftentimes forever. And we have relationships with many of our clients where we continue to stay in touch with them. We hear from them every once in a while, and we keep track of how they're doing in their lives, and frankly, they like to keep track with how we're doing in our lives as well. And we follow their families, they follow our families, and it's very rewarding and fulfilling as a lawyer to be able to have those kind of relationships.